Hey guys, Victor Costa, peace, love, and muscles. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing my nighttime push-up routine in my bedroom. Family's outside watching television. I'm going to join them as soon as I finish up. And let me show you how I do my push-ups, okay? Meet me on the floor. So my goal when I do my push-ups is really to connect with my chest. I'm not so concerned about how many reps I get. I'm not so concerned about just checking off the marks, and making sure that I did a good job and giving myself a gold star for the day. I want to connect with my chest. This is the way I do this. So I come flat on the floor, right? I put my hands on the floor like this, okay? And I really connect with the floor. And I don't even think about pushing up at all until I feel my chest engaged. So I do that by really connecting with the floor. So I'm putting my hands into the floor. I'm really feeling the floor against my palms, right? And as soon as I push down, now I push my hands down, meaning I'm pushing the floor down without necessarily pushing up my body. So I'm pushing against the floor and suddenly I'll feel my chest engage, just like that. And it's not until that time that I feel the engagement that I begin really pushing the floor down very hard. And when I do that, my body rises up. So I'm thinking about pushing the floor down versus pushing my body up. And that's why my push-ups are so effective. Really connect with the floor, put my hands into the floor, start pressing down into the floor without moving up, really connecting, muscles in the chest connected, then really push my hands into the floor and push the floor down. And by virtue of pushing the floor down, my body rises up slowly. So that's how I do my push-ups. Any questions? It works. I do no other exercises for chest. I haven't done any other exercises in about 6 months. I do push-ups twice a week, and that's it. No steroids, no supplements, just good food and a lot of work, really connecting to my body. And you'll find that the more you focus on bodybuilding, which is the moment-to-moment things that you do on a daily basis chronically, when you're eating right, when you're sleeping right, when you're thinking good thoughts, when you're being positive, when you're being optimistic, when you are taking care of yourself, you're bodybuilding. The other part of it, the small 3 hours, 4 hours a week that you train, that's recreation, okay? Focus on connecting to your body and trying your exercises in a different way, just like I explained. And by the way, in the description portion of this video, there's a free digital download for you. I hope you enjoyed it. It's the 6 best bodybuilding tips I could ever offer, and none of them really have to do with lifting weights. So peace, love, and muscles. Take care. Bye.